Looking for a great deal on a low-mileage luxury vehicle? Check out this 2017 Infiniti Q60 3.0T Sport Coupe with only 64,000 miles. It comes with a complete dealer service history, up-to-date Georgia emissions, and the original books for your peace of mind. This vehicle is a dealer-certified pre-owned unit, backed by our Quality Plus warranty for 3 months or 3,000 miles. Plus, you can take advantage of a 5-year maintenance plan at a discounted price, in addition to the advertised price. Be sure to ask about upgrading to a lifetime warranty at the time of sale for even greater protection. We recommend a pre-purchase inspection to ensure you're fully confident in your purchase. We understand buying a car is a big decision. This 2017 Infiniti is a dealer-certified pre-owned vehicle with a warranty and a 5-year service plan. Please note, price reductions or discounts will void the CPO status, but you can still upgrade the warranty at a discounted rate at the time of sale. Don't miss out on this fantastic, well-maintained Infiniti Q60.